Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sounds at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture and we can hear now the sound. To turn it off, let's go to the left corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the shutter tone option, so when we tap here we can turn off the camera sound, and now when we go back to the camera and take another picture we can't hear the sound. We can of course go back here to the left corner, turn it on again by using this button, and now we can hear the sound again. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.